Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Praveen Kumar Sriram. I am a Microsoft certified trainer, author, and solutions architect. Today we are going to learn about how to develop our very first Azure Bicep Hello World program. Let's start. I am inside Visual Studio Code. If you have followed my previous videos, you might be knowing we have installed Bicep extension for Visual Studio Code, and we have also installed Azure Resource Manager extension for Visual Studio Code. Today we are going to understand how easy, how crisp is in Bicep for just printing a hello world message. We will also see how much lines of code it takes to print the same hello world using ARM templates. Let's start with ARM templates first. I have an empty folder. Let me create a new file. Let me name it as ARM templates, ARM template.json. So ARM templates extension would be JSON. So the ARM template.json file is created. Now let me just type ARM and click on this. It creates the basic structure. Now I would like to output a hello world program. I just pressed Control space and I click on new output. So I would like to print hello world and I would say from ARM template. That's it. We are done. Now let us execute this. In order to execute, open a terminal and click on new terminal. And then we use Azure CLI commands for executing the ARM templates. As you might be already aware, every Azure CLI command starts with AZ. Now we would like to do a deployment to a resource group. So let's create it. Now for any deployment, whether you are creating any Azure services or you are just printing a simple text, right? This command expects a resource group to be available. Right now I don't have any resource groups. So let me navigate to portal and create a resource group. Choose a subscription and then we are doing a Bicep series. So let's assume our project name is Bicep and assume that we are working in a dev environment. All our resources would be created in a location called EastUS, and this resource is of type resource group. So I would like to follow this naming convention. Click on replace create. The validation is succeeded and click on create. So I have created a resource group manually from the portal, but in the upcoming series, upcoming videos, I will show you how to create a resource group using Bicep. But for now, this is good. Let's go back to Visual Studio Code and enter the resource group name and then we also need to specify the file. Our template file name is armtemplate.json. Please ensure that the name matches with the file name. We are good. So press enter. It will take some time and it will start executing. So we have not logged into our Azure account yet. So this error is expected, right? So let's log into Azure by using az login command. Yeah, now we can start running commands on our Azure account. Let's go back to Visual Studio Code. It will take a moment. It will list down all the subscriptions available for this account. All right. Now let me run our command again. It says resource group not found. So we need to set the subscription. Right now I have multiple subscription. So we need to set a subscription. In order to set the subscription, we need to either get the subscription ID or the subscription name. So let's go back to Azure Management Portal and grab the subscription ID. So I am currently on my resource group and let me grab the subscription ID and then let me run a command az account set -- subscription ID space paste your subscription ID and press enter. So there is a typo in the command. It's just subscription and then press enter. Yeah, now it is done. So let me now run our deployment command to deploy the ARM template. Yep. It is starting. So now while this is happening, you can go to resource group and you can also track the progress. If you don't see any deployments, you can click on this. You would see a deployment has happened and it is succeeded. In fact, it just took 1 second. So let me click on this and here it says your deployment is complete. On the left hand side, you see some inputs. Currently, we don't have any inputs. We are not passing any inputs to the ARM template. And let's see what is the output. Yes, this is the output. Hello world from ARM template. This is what is expected, right? And now let's see what ARM template was submitted to Azure. Click on this. You will see the ARM template that we have submitted. Right? So that's how you author an ARM template which just prints a hello world message, and it took approximately 14 lines of code. And the syntax is not easy to understand for a beginner. You see, there are a lot of syntactical things that we should understand. So it's not easy for beginners. Right? Now, let's see how to implement the same feature using Bicep. Okay, let's navigate back to our resource group here. And then let's implement the same thing using Visual Studio Code. I'm closing this and let me create a new file. I would name it as bicep template dot bicep. So the extension is not JSON. The extension should be bicep. Now what are we trying to achieve? We would like to print a string. So all strings must be included in single quotes like this. I would like to print hello world from bicep. Right? It's a string. So now we need to output this, right? So before we output this, we need to create a user defined variable. So I named it as greeting. Greeting is a user defined variable of type string, and we would like to store this string into this variable. And what are we going to do with this variable? All we need is output it. So whoever is calling this bicep, whoever is executing this bicep file, they should view this output. That's it. We are done. Save it and execute this program using the same command that we have used to execute ARM template. All we need to do is change the file name. Everything else remains same. Bicep template.bicep. Ensure that there are no typos in the file name and then press enter. Yeah, while this is happening, you can go and check the deployments. Bicep template, and it succeeded. So click on this. It says your deployment is complete. Currently there are no inputs and it has an output hello world from Bicep. This is what we were expecting. And finally the template will be of type ARM template. You see, we did not write this code. Azure CLI command has converted our Bicep code into ARM template. Right? So let's compare now the code that we have written in Bicep with ARM template. Let me go to Visual Studio Code now and let me open those two files side by side. Now you see, in Bicep we hardly have one line of code, but in ARM template we have around 14 lines of code. Isn't Bicep very crisp? Absolutely yes. Okay, this is a very simple hello world program. This program doesn't create any Azure resources, but in the upcoming series we will start creating Azure services using Bicep. That's it for today. Thank you. Have a good day ahead. Bye bye.